Every action has a reason. Every choice is not by chance. Something's driving what we're seeing. Every move, every glance. If it works, it will repeat. That's the pattern underneath. That's reinforcement. Now you know what makes behavior grow. If it gets what someone needs, it comes back, it repeats. Good or bad, it doesn't care. If it works, it's going there. That's reinforcement. Watch it go. A child cries, the noise goes away, or gets attention right on cue. Different paths, but same direction. Something made it worth it too. Look at what comes right after. That's the key you're searching for. That's reinforcement. Now you know what makes behavior grow. If it gets what someone needs, it comes back, it repeats. Good or bad, it doesn't care. If it works, it's going there. That's reinforcement. Watch it go. Add something good, it's positive. Take away, it still can give. Both can shape the things we do. That's the science.